Hey guys, I'm showing you this LcFun electric lighters, the rechargeable arc lighter with a 360-degree flexible neck plasma lighters with a LED battery display and a flashlight windproof waterproof lighter for camping, candle, survival or anything else. So it comes in a nice gift box, the manual, and this is the lighter itself. So you can recharge this and you can see the protective and the protection and the quality here. So this is the protective stuff. Just open the stuff and you can just on. Hope you can see like the battery level and the arc on the top, like the spark, so that can use to ignite any candle or any stove. So this is the battery level that comes. So I'm just trying to do one candle. You can see like it really works well and very much powerful, so you can recharge it and use it. So you can just safety lock, and this also have a flashlight that you can see here with this button. So the quality is really nice. I can feel like the good quality durable one. So you can just take this neck and you can turn it to 360-degree here and there just to ignite stove or anything else. So this is the charging port, the cable comes with it, and you can just use the USB-C cable to charge. And this is the side band as well. So this is a side band with a whistle that can be used for the camping and other purposes. So this is a very useful tool, I will say, and the lighter, just for the camping and other stuff, and all these things which really make it really nice.